Popular Front Party activist Dainat Babayev, who had been sentenced to 7 days of administrative arrest in connection with the November 17th opposition protest, was not released from the detention facility after having served a term. He was detained for the second time on November 24th for allegedly committing hooliganism. According to the Interior Ministry report, Dainat Babayev, together with another Popular Front Party member Musa Rahimov, insulted and attacked the individual by name Tawfiq Salimov on November 7th. A criminal case was launched against Babayev on hooliganism charges. On November 26th, the Nasimit District Court, chaired by Judge Azar Pashayev, did not grant the prosecutor's request to sentence Babayev to pre-trial detention, and Dainat was released pending further investigation.